So, badge tool. Badge tool is quite good for badging things. So let's say we want to get rid of this kitten. Oh no. So what we do is we use that lasso tool and we're just going to make a rough selection around this little kitten. The patch tool is it's up here. Yeah, here we go. Sorry. Patch tool. Patch tool. What the patch tool will do is once you've made your selection, if you click and drag, you see the kitten will slowly disappear, and it's quite similar to the clone stamp tool, but it does larger areas, and also it, using sort of the amazing world of artificial intelligence, fills in some of the gaps. So while that there and that there do look the same, you've taken out a large piece of artwork and it's just filled it in for you pretty seamlessly. So then once you've got that, you could use your clone stamp tool to maybe maybe remove a blade of grass, and then really I don't think anyone would be any other wiser that kitten was never here. But let's bring it back just so you can see again. Make a selection. You don't have to be too accurate with this. Make a selection, head over to your patch tool, click and drag, and there you have it. It's not a perfect tool, but it does do a good job a lot of the time. So if you're having a bit of trouble with it, it might just be that you've got something that's this is quite a homogeneous sort of background really, isn't it? So it's all greens. So it works quite well, but if you had something a bit more complicated or something a bit more structural, like if you were stood in front of a building or something like that had lots of straight lines and things, that might not work so well. But for something like this, it works really well.